Well, hello, I hope you're all very well. Today we're looking at drawing lines of symmetry. Okay, now a line of symmetry is basically a line that tells us where we can fold a shape in half, okay, to make sure that each side is exactly the same. So if we look at this square, for instance, we're going to be drawing mirror lines. Okay, now the mirror line is the line of where, if you imagine the shape being folded in half, where it's the same either side. So let's use a red pen and then draw a dotted line down the middle of the shape. Okay, you can see this could easily be folded in half to be the same either side. There's also one here horizontally as well, where we could fold that shape horizontally, be the same either side. However, there are more of them. There is another one here from corner to corner. So finding these lines of symmetry is all about using your brains, okay, in terms of visualization. Can you see it happening? Okay, would it work if you fold it in half on certain mirror lines? There's also another one here. You can see here we have 4 lines of symmetry. Can we get another one in there? No. Okay, if for instance we wanted to go across here, when it was folded in half, it's not the same either side. Remember, fold in half, or where you would cut it in half, so it would be exactly the same either side. So there are 4 lines of symmetry on a square. Let's have a look at this rectangle. So I'll use my ruler, I'll use a different colour pen, I'll use a green pen here then. So we can see the first one is vertically down the middle. Okay, and I'm going to do a dotted line as my mirror line. So over here, I'm just going to write the word mirror lines. Okay, and I put in brackets here dotted. Okay, so we have one so far. Can you see any more? Well, there is another one, which is horizontally in the middle. It's there. Now, the common mistake now is for people to go from corner to corner, because we know there are 4 lines of symmetry in a square. However, let's have a rectangle. You can see just an A4 piece of paper. We have 1 line of symmetry in the middle horizontally. We have one vertically. So that's 2 lines of symmetry. However, corner to corner, as you can see, doesn't work. Okay, so this visualization process needs to be in your heads. See if you can, in your mind, put corner to corner. Is it the same either side? As you can see there, it's not. Okay, so this one here, the rectangle, only has 2 lines of symmetry. Now, this parallelogram, okay, if we try and fold it across this way, then this point here is going to be over here. So it's not going to work. Horizontally, if I try and fold that down here, then these corners are not going to line up. So this one has 0 lines of symmetry. Here we've got a pentagon, okay, 5 sides, pentagon. It is a regular pentagon because all of the sides are of the same length. So a bit of visualization then. Where can we see these lines of symmetry on the pentagon? Well, I can see them straight away from top to bottom. So let's make sure the ruler is nice and straight, line it up, take a bit of care, line it up, and then dotted line down the middle. Lovely, we have 1 line of symmetry. However, there's nothing wrong with twisting your page to see if you can see any more. Okay, so if we twisted this, okay, and have this part at the bottom, then there is another one there. And you can probably see the pattern now. If we rotate our page again, then we can see there's another one here. So that's 3. Rotate again to make 4. Rotate again to make 5 lines of symmetry. Okay, so when it comes to questions like this, there is nothing wrong with twisting the page to see if you can see any more lines of symmetry, okay? Don't forget, there will be a couple of shapes on your worksheet that may try and catch you out by having 0 lines of symmetry. So it's all about that visualization. Imagine folding it or cutting it in half. Will it be the same either side? Then that's what you need to try and work out, okay? Have a good go, and I hope it helps.